Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers. Well, I'm beginning to see where Obiano is spending local government and pensioners' money. Ask me where. Anambra Cargo Airport. But that would be very bad if he uses such money for the airport. Anyway, I'm just guessing. But pensioners especially should be paid their 4 years arrears. Let them first have it, and then any other thing will follow. Let's look at the developments in Anambra Cargo Airport. There's something happening there. You know, a lot of people are saying it is an elephant project. It is unrealistic. But the fact is that Obiano is building a cargo airport, which could be one of the best in the country. In fact, the Anambra government has gone so far in this project. It's no longer whether such project is realistic. It is real and serious work is ongoing at the site. Like I said, now the discussion has gone beyond when shall the project be started or when shall we build the project. But when the project is going to be completed, that is the question now. Anambra International Airport could be the best in the country after completion, as you can already see on the screen. When the governor of Anambra State commissioned the project on 11th of April 2007, remember we updated you, he had a great hope that the project would bring greater and better opportunities for Ndi Anambra. He said the airport city project will be developed on a 1,500 acre site and will feature 2 runways, an aviation fuel facility, aircraft maintenance facility, airport hotel, business park, and international convention center. The project is expected to generate 1,200 direct and 3,600 indirect jobs. Putting all together, that's 4,800 jobs. And that will reduce the rate of unemployment for a state who rank the highest for having the least unemployed population. The project has remained low profile with massive work ongoing, but recently the excitement could no longer be contained as pictures of the project started flying around on all social media space. It is registered on the Google map to show how serious the work has been. The international airport, when completed, will boost the economy and economic activities of Anambra State. Anambra State has the second biggest market in West Africa, and its sons and daughters, who are businessmen and women respectively, flying in and out of the country from their state will be easy. If the seaport at Onitsha is completed in the nearest years to come, Anambra State will be the business hub of Nigeria. The governor of the state, His Excellency Willie Obiano, has vowed to deliver the project before the completion of his tenure. May God help him all. What a way to end an administration on a high note. Yes, if he completes it, it's on a high note actually. Whoever will take over from him will have a big shoe to fill if he completes it. Now, what's your take on the project? Do you think the governor will deliver? Do you really think we need this airport? Tell us what you think. I don't know what you think. Kindly leave your comments on the comment section of this channel. Now, I would like to share with us an inspiring story. I'd like you to believe in yourself and hope that one day the world will celebrate you and what you represent. This Igbo businessman was filled with joy after seeing his company's product in a plane going to Dubai. It's the wish of every businessman to see his product or services making positive waves, as it sends joy to them, knowing fully well that their hard work is paid. That's the case of Igbo businessman Obi Ezude, who is also the founder, president, and CEO of Beloski Industries Nigeria Limited, which is a company known for its tasty cream crackers, biscuits. If you have a baby in your house and you have not seen that cracker biscuit, then you have not been buying something for your children. And you know now. Let's even talk about Ezude and his business. The Igbo businessman who provides jobs to over 3,000 Nigerian youths in the southwest. Manamba kwano. Ichechebe alo factory a wolo na southwest na onweko si di. Why southwest kwano? Akulukwano no nwanne. Anyway, such big business should have been in any part of Igbo and then distributed to other parts of the country. That is how Igbo does his oil, espresso oil. Manufactured in his own town, but distributed to different parts of the country. Anyway, thanks for being industrious and giving employment to many. You know, unemployment is one of the major problems in the country, which government has found difficult to solve. There are many youths in the society, as the one we find ourselves, both graduate and non-graduates, who are currently suffering from unemployment because there are many job seekers but few jobs out there. In this video, I shall be introducing you to a man who, through his efforts, jobs have been provided for so many youths in the country. Obi Mark Ezude is a billionaire, businessman, entrepreneur, and philanthropist who hails from Idemili North in Anambra State and is currently aged 53. Wow. He's the founder and CEO of Beloksi Industries Limited, the producer of popular crackers biscuit in Nigeria, simply known as Beloksi. Like I said, if your baby doesn't know that Beloksi, that means you have not been buying something for your baby. So we are proud. Igbo Area TV is proud to identify with Ezude. Yeah. Now let's continue to look at this man's profile. He's a resilient entrepreneur. He began his biscuit career in 1994 when he was just 24. Initially, Ezude was importing biscuits into the country, but a ban on biscuit importation by the federal government made him switch to becoming a manufacturer. Today, Beloksi has about 3 phases and 9 production lines which produces and supply all over the country. Some few days ago, the Igbo businessman took to social media to express delight as his product are now served on international airlines. One of his factories can be found in Abara, an industrial area located in Ogun State. You know Abara Industrial Estate, where you find Eleganza and Co. I think there you find PZ or also one of them before some of them moved to Ghana due to shortage of electricity in Nigeria. His Abara factory has been a blessing to many youths in the region, as over 3,000 Nigerian youths can proudly say they are employed and working. Ezude is not just one of the richest and most influential entrepreneurs and businessmen in Nigeria. He's also a multiple award winner, having been recognized for his efforts in business and eradicating unemployment to an extent. If there are more jobs for the youths, there will be certainly a reduction in crime and vices, because an idle man is the devil's workshop. That's a saying. What do you think of Mr. Obi Ezude and his efforts? Please add your comments on the comment section of this channel. What do you think? If you're asked to still advise him on how to cite his company. Do you think his company should be in Lagos? Don't you think his company should be in Igbo? Because he's an Igbo man. Because we have been preaching Akoreuno. Meanwhile, we thank Obi Ezude for having provided jobs for a lot of people. And also, in the process of providing jobs for a lot of people, in the process of trying to benefit other people, you are benefiting yourself as well. Add your comment, tell us what you think. Please also subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Also click on the bell icon to get our update anytime it drops. We promise to be bringing you sharp updates, interesting updates. I'm Azuka OJ. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.